Hello everyone, welcome to Guru Schools, an online training and consulting company. Here in Guru Schools, we empower individuals like you to unlock their full potentials and achieve their goals. I'm thrilled to introduce myself and provide you with an overview of our company and the Salesforce development course, which we'll be going to offer in order to enhance your career. Hi, my name is Sumit, and I'm a Salesforce subject matter expert with Guru Schools, with a passion for education and a commitment to lifelong learning. In Guru Schools, we have created a platform that brings quality training right at your fingertips. Before I move ahead and give you an overview about the Salesforce development training program we are going to offer, let me give you a company overview. At Guru Schools, we offer a comprehensive selections of online courses and training programs designed to meet the need of individuals at every step of their personal and professional development. The Guru Schools was founded with a mission to support our inclusive community, provide training and placement services. At Guru Schools, we mainly focus on career guided employment oriented IT trainings with real time simulated project experience and consulting services. Our virtual classroom provides a dynamic and interactive learning environment where you can engage with experts, instructors, and fellow learners from around the world, especially from America and Canada. At Guru Schools, our team of experienced professionals and subject matter experts are dedicated to deliver high quality content that is both engaging and practical. And at Guru Schools, we also offer hands on exercises, real world case studies, and practical assignments are an integral part of our course, ensuring that you acquire the skills and knowledge you need to succeed. And at the end, along with this, we also help towards vendor interview preparation and clients interview preparation and ongoing project supports, which helps you to prepare towards working in, especially in corporate America. So that's about the Guru Schools. Now let's talk about the six pillars, which is a very unique feature, and this makes Guru School different from the other companies. First of all, we will be offering an instructor-led training. It's a 6-week instructor-led training program, which gives you a good overview on the respective technology. For example, if you want to enroll for a particular training program, so 6 weeks will be getting a free training and along with the interview preparation. Once you complete the training, once your 6 weeks or 8 weeks or your training will be completed, we will be going to offer you the certificate or diploma certificate on the successful completion of training program. Along with that, we also help in resume preparation, which requires balls and with wish list for successful career. So we'll help you, will guide you in your resume preparation, or our subject matter expert will guide you in your preparing the resumes based on that particular subject. Later on, we'll be helping you in the interview preparation, which help you to prepare towards interview with our vendors. Then we'll also have a client interview. We'll prepare you for the client interview and the job assistant. And also, if we also offer the ongoing project support and technical assistant up to 6 months. And can it be extended? Yes, it can be extended based on requirement. So these are the six unique pillars of Guru Schools, as I mentioned, that which makes it different, which makes it unique and different from other companies. Now, this is about the Salesforce developers 9-week content, and this is specifically designed for the US and the Canada candidates. And these are the that's a 6-week course content where we'll be starting from the Apex. Then we'll move on to the DML operations, SOQL operations, and SOSL statements, the methods, the OOPS concepts, the triggers, the test classes, the basics of triggers, and Apex triggers. Especially will focus more with the triggers because triggers is an automation which helps in automating the function, which helps in automating the concept. So we'll be focusing more with this along with the all other concepts and the test classes, because at the end of the day when we would like to deploy the apex classes or our triggers, our apex classes from sandbox to the production, the test classes will be very much required, because without creating test classes it will fail. So we'll be going to work with the test classes, and at the end, in the ninth week, we will be working, we'll be helping you, or we'll be preparing you for the interview along with some questions. And yes, we'll also give you a guidance on certification program also within ninth week. So, and in order to enroll for this training program, in order to enroll for the Salesforce developer training program, we will be expecting that you are comfortable with the Salesforce admin terminology. You are familiar with the Salesforce admin knowledge, or you have already gained the Salesforce admin knowledge. Now, as a Salesforce, a developer is a professional who specializes in designing, developing, and implementing application in the Salesforce platform. And they are going to leverage their knowledge of the Salesforce ecosystem, including its declarative features and programming capabilities. Now, here are some key responsibilities or the roles which you are going to perform as a Salesforce developer. First is you need to work on the mobile or the web pages, developing apps for the other Salesforce development companies or Salesforce companies. Integration is very important because these days the Salesforce developers they integrate Salesforce with other systems such as the external databases, ERPs, marketing automation tools, or third-party applications. So the Salesforce developers, they will be going to use the tools like the Salesforce APIs, web services, and middleware platforms. And they also going to consume and customizing the Salesforce platform. So basically, the custom application development will be a key role of a Salesforce developer, and they are going to utilize the various Salesforce development tools like such as Apex, and Visual Force pages, Lightning components to build custom applications that extend the functionality of the Salesforce. Skills required, they might be proficient in the Salesforce and data modeling management. So we'll be expecting the Salesforce to be a Salesforce developer. We will be expecting that you have already worked as a Salesforce administrator. You are already a Salesforce experience Salesforce admin experience, and then will help you out in working with the Apex and Lightning, especially with the Apex and SQL or SOSL functional concepts. Background, 3 to 4 years of development experience, not mandatory in Salesforce in any domain, maybe in .NET, in Java. Why so? So that they will be easily able to understand the basic terminologies of the Salesforce development program. Because when we say SOQL or SOSL, so we'll be using SOQL functionalities. And when we say Apex, so Apex is specifically for basically, Apex especially works on the OOPS concepts. So programming knowledge is must required. And if we talk about the salaries, so these are just figures. These are not the exact figures, but you may depends on the experience, depends on the interviews or interview track. You may, if you want to work as a freelancer, if you want to, you can work on almost. You can get maximum up to $81 or more than that per hour. These are just the assumptions. Like we are not saying that these are the exact figures, right? So Salesforce developers, they can make approximately $20,000 more than regular web developers. So obviously they have more chances to grow in future. And the most important thing is many organizations, they are moving on to Salesforce. So it's the right time to switch your career from your like your normal web development or normal developers to be a Salesforce developer. Now, the skill required for a Salesforce developer, they should have the good programming skills, the networking skills, the detail oriented, and they should have the logical skills to make the logics, to decide the logics, investigating skills in order to investigate the problems and try to resolve the problems. Yeah, so 4 and 6 days repetitive. And the number seven, it's a decision making skills because at the end of the day, you have to decide that for this particular problem, how do we solve this problem? Once you have investigated a problem, what functionality of Salesforce will be used in order to make that in order to solve. So you should have the good decision power. So that's about this about the Guru Schools and the Salesforce development course will be offering, and we are offering along with the free training. We are enrolling for IT training for the we'll be offering free certifications, interview supports, and the project support. To know more details about the training programs we'll be offering, you can visit our website www.guruschools.com, or you can drop an email to us on training@guruschools.com, or you can reach out on the given number. We have a LinkedIn page also. You can visit us on LinkedIn also. Thanks everyone.